Hello, this tutorial is how to jailbreak your Apple phone using Windows, and this works as of June 2020. Specifically, I will be showing you how to jailbreak your phone if it is in iOS 9.3.5 or 9.3.6, and I have included all of the downloads in the description. So first you will want to download iCloud. You cannot download it from the Microsoft Store. You must do it for Windows 7 or 8. I already have it downloaded, so I will not be doing that. But then you would need to install it, sign in, and the same thing with iTunes. You have to do it for the Windows here, not the Windows Store. And there, I already have it downloaded again. So once you have these two downloaded, you need to make sure they're both running. So just have this one in the background there, and then check to see if iCloud is in this taskbar. So next you'll want to download the AltServer from altstore.io, Windows version, since you're on a Windows computer, and save. You want to extract the folder and then run the installation wizard. Okay, I already had it installed, which I forgot, so that was what that was about. But it would just take you through installing it. So now that normally installs an AltServer or an AltStore app onto your phone, but we want it jailbroken. So you have to go here. This is the Reddit link, and download this AltServer patcher.x. And then you'll have to run it. Since I am using a phone that is iOS 9.3.6, this also works with 9.3.5. You'll want to use Phoenix, but as you can see, there are many different jailbreak options for different versions of what operating system your phone is on. So we'll want to patch this. And then make sure the AltServer is not running, and it's not, so that is good. Otherwise, you would click on it and close the application. Then we will go to the computer's program files times 86. Go to AltServer, and then the application here. Right-click, Properties, and then go to compatibility. Not everybody might have this problem, but I did. I had to run it in compatibility mode for Windows 8, so I would just suggest checking off this mark right there and selecting Windows 8. So now you'll run this as administrator. So again, right-click and run administrator. And then you should have it here in this area. Left click, and then you can install AltStore. Well, first you have to plug in your. So once you plug in your phone, here we go. You enter in your Apple ID and password. It will show you a screen that says, if you have this already installed, it would make things not work. Just click OK, and then you should be good to go. The last thing you will have to do is to go under your settings in your phone. So that will be settings, general, and then profile management or device management. And then you have to accept the profile there, which it will just be your iTunes account email, and then you'll have to verify it before this app will work. Then you just go under Phoenix and run the jailbreak tool. Use all the provided offsets, and you should be good to go. So thank you for watching this tutorial. And again, this works as of June 2020, but Apple is always changing things, so this might not work in the future. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.